Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Wednesday, um, um, April 17th, 2024. We got an Operation Weather we're doing right now. We have a tornado watch in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 12 o'clock this evening. For the following counties are Asheville, Janiga, Lake Mahoning, Portridge, Stark Summit, Trumbull. In Pennsylvania, that includes Crawford and Erie counties. The cities, the following cities for this tornado watch includes Akron, Alliance, Asheville, Aurora, Austintown, Bainbridge, Boardman, Burton, Canton, Chardon, Chesterland, Conneaut, East, East Lake, Erie, Geneva, Kent, Massmillion, Meadville, Menor, Middlefield, Niles, Painesville, Raviana. There's a Titusville and Ness, Russell, Stratesburg, Warren. That's at Warren, Ohio. It is Life or Liff, Willoughby, Willowick, and Youngstown. Again, this is a tornado watch in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 12 midnight this evening on this Wednesday, April 17th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. There's a severe storm threat. They're saying there's a tornado watch is in effect to prepare shelter necessary. Today's outlook, there's a possible risk for severe weather today. Like number 2, wind threat, tornado number 1, hail threat number 1. So I don't want radar. Here's the forecast for Titusville tonight. They're saying thunderstorm. Well, before we read this, remember subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular and Train Expert channels, who has a few subscribers going up yesterday. That's why we did our subscriber special today for the Train Expert channel. We'll have that premiere of this tonight at 7 p.m. So here's the forecast for Titusville tonight. They're saying thunderstorms, some locally heavy rain early, then cloudy skies after midnight. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 51. Southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. We're just going to read tonight and tomorrow, by the way. So, forgot all about that. For Thursday, cloudy. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 64. West winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy skies early. Will give away cloudy skies after overnight. Low 50. Southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles or 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Greenville tonight, or for Meadville tonight it is. If we get it on there. There we go. Here's the forecast for Meadville tonight. They're saying mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 52. West winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. For Thursday, cloudy skies early, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 64. West winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy skies. We'll give away cloudy skies overnight, but partly cloudy skies this evening it is. Low 52. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Erie, here's the forecast. Here's the forecast for Erie tonight. They're saying thunderstorms early, then cloudy skies after midnight, just like what Titusville said. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 51. Southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. For Thursday, cloudy skies early while becoming partly cloudy later in the day. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 56. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Low 50. South-southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Let's reset the Weather Channel app. Whoops, I don't want, oops, I got the wrong one. I want to reset the Weather Channel app. While we're waiting for the next weather update for Northeast, remember, again, let's get a quick shout out to Ollie Mainstein, Tractor Head 04. That'll be Jeremy Haig. That's Jeremy Haig's YouTube channel. And also to Paul Eversole from Paul the Ralphander's YouTube channel. So we'll get a shout out. Also, we'll get a shout out to Josh the Ralphander as well. So we'll get those in there as well. So we did Erie, so we need to do the forecast for Meadville or for Northeast. I'll check Greenville in a bit and see if there's an operation weather or not. Here's the forecast for Northeast tonight. They're saying variable clouds with showers and thunderstorms. Storms will be more numerous during this evening. Potential for severe thunderstorms. Low 51. Winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. For Thursday, cloudy skies early while becoming partly cloudy later in the day. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 55. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Low 49. And let's do Linesville, the forecast for them tonight. And here's the forecast for Linesville tonight. They're saying thunderstorms early, then mainly cloudy after midnight. Low 53. Chance of rain 70%. For Thursday, mostly cloudy. Slight chance, or partly cloudy it is. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 65. west winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And Thursday night, partly cloudy early, then we'll give away occasional showers overnight. Low 53, chance of rain 50%, and that's it for this. Let's go check for Greenville or Pittsburgh and see if there's an operation weather. If not, this is it. If not, that's gonna be it. I gotta reset the weather. I gotta reset the Weather Channel app again. Also, as I said, let's get a quick. We're supposed to call for like a number 2 wind threat, number 1 tornado threat, number 1 hail threat is what they're calling for today. So I'm gonna go check Greenville or Pittsburgh, see if there's an operation weathers or not. Yes, also there is a tornado watch. Also, there is an operation weather, as I just said. There is a tornado watch in effect for Ohio and 2 sets of Pennsylvania counties. Also till 12 o'clock this evening. Here's there's the cities on here: Belmont, Carroll. Can't see. Vermont, Carroll, Columbiana, Cautionton, Jersey, Harris, Jefferson, Ohio, Moreau, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas. Pennsylvania, Northwest Pennsylvania is for Mercer, Venango, Allegheny, Greene, Washington, Butler, and Lawrence. Also, Virginia, West Virginia counties are under that same watch as well. So, for Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. So, here's the locations, and this includes Elkmota, Ambridge, Alico, Quippa, Ambridge, Beaver Falls, Butler, Cause. Alright, I'm going to stop this and we'll be back on for part 2 of the Operation Weather. Talk to you of the Tornado Watch. Talk to you later.